ChatGPT is now everywhere, in the news, on YouTube feeds, and being discussed by families and friends. OpenAI has reached levels that have left companies amazed, and it is being used to improve the future of businesses and individuals. Although ChatGPT is the talk of the town and a major threat to other tech companies, it has prompted these companies to gear up so that they are not left behind. One response to ChatGPT is Google's own ChatGPT-like artificial intelligence, recently announced as an advanced language model called Bard. Google is directly competing with ChatGPT here. But what is Bard? Bard is a new conversational interface developed by Google that seeks to provide fresh, high-quality responses to user inquiries. It is designed to combine the breadth of the world's knowledge with the power of large language models. Bard was announced by Google's CEO Sundar Pichai on Monday, February 6, 2023, in a blog post on the company's website. Let's take a look at the background on AI at Google. Google has a long history of working with artificial intelligence, and the company has been focused on developing conversational interfaces for AI technology. The goal of Google's AI work is to provide users with an intuitive and easy way to access information and knowledge through conversational AI. But what's new? What are the features of Bard? Bard is based on a smaller version of a powerful AI model called Lambda, which was first announced by Google in mid-2021. This model is similar to the technology used in OpenAI's ChatGPT and draws on information from the web to provide relevant and accurate responses to user inquiries. The goal of Bard is to put the breadth of the world's knowledge behind a conversational interface so that users can access information and knowledge through a chatbot-style interface. If you read Google's blog states that Bard can be an outlet of creativity and a launchpad for curiosity, helping you to explain new discoveries, for example, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope to a 9-year-old, and it will explain that. Or learn more about the best strikers in football right now, and then get the drills to build your skills. This gives you an idea of what Bard can produce. Bard has not been released to the public, and the reason why they haven't released it to the public yet is because of testing. Bard is currently being tested with trusted testers, and Google is using this opportunity to gather feedback and improve the quality and accuracy of Bard's responses. The company is testing some of Bard's features, including a chatbot and new search desktop designs, to see how well it performs in providing relevant and accurate information to users. Google recognizes the importance of rigorous testing in ensuring that Bard's AI responses meet high standards of quality, safety, and accuracy. Bard is Google's response to the growing popularity of chatbots like OpenAI ChatGPT. Bard aims to provide a user-friendly and efficient tool for accessing information and knowledge by combining the vastness of the world's information with the capabilities of advanced language models. As the testing continues, the suspense builds as to whether Bard will be able to surpass OpenAI's ChatGPT. Will it be the next big thing in the world of artificial intelligence? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, with Google's expertise in AI and its emphasis on rigorous testing, Bard has the potential to change the game and take conversational AI to the next level. Stay tuned for updates on Bard AI and the future of conversational artificial intelligence.